Hi, my name is PRY. You're watching People of Phuket. Okay. I'm from Songkhla, the city like more south, nearby Malaysia. I study and work in Bangkok for 4 years, and Bangkok is not my thing. I moved to south for work. I start to work in south in Khao Lak for scuba diving company for 2 years, and I really want to use my skill from the university, which is like a multimedia stuff. And I think Phuket would be great to try like all the things that I study. So I decided to move to Phuket, and now it's almost 2 years. My dad, he used to be in Navy. I was born in a Navy camp nearby the beach. And I think all the beach stuff that I get from now is from my dad. He inspired me a lot about the sea, and that's why I love to be in Phuket.
We said goodbye with words I died 100 times. You go back to her and I go back to us.
I love to being with the nature, and Phuket is the best place to do all this stuff. Hiking, free diving, surfing is amazing here, and especially this month is the season of the surfing, and big wave is coming to Phuket, and I'm really excited. Me and my crew working as a production company, we do all the multimedia stuff like photo, video, and graphic design. If you guys need a marketing, offline or online, you can check us out on the Facebook, Instagram, the Islandia. Okay, the COVID situation has been really tough for me, same as everyone, especially people in Phuket. You know, we work for the tourist industry, and now it's been so quiet. I'm really proud as Expats and Thai, we have come together, work and support each other. It's been for 1.5 years that nature in Phuket is recovering. You can see the beautiful beach, clear water, and I never seen the Phuket is beautiful like this. So this is the best time to come to Phuket to check all the nature stuff, and Phuket people are welcome everyone to come back. So that was my People of Phuket story. Hope to see everyone come back to Phuket soon, and thank you for watching. ขอบคุณครับ